Hello guys, my name is Ashish and in today's video I'll be talking about the challenge of day 3. Okay, so basically today's challenge was very easy. So I just need to study the basics of smart contracts in blockchain because this is the next step of our roadmap. Okay, so what I did today is I just referred the again. I referred the IBM document to read the basics about smart contracts, like what is smart contract, how it works, what are the benefits, what are the for the life cycle. Yeah, I referred it the GFG document. So let's first move into the IBM document. Okay, so this is the document from where I just read everything about basics, like smart contract, like what is smart contracts, basics definitions, then how it works, then all the benefits related to the smart contract. Okay, then there are also some application use cases of smart contract. Okay, so that was the thing that I like to read from here. And apart from this, for the life cycle of smart contract, I refer the GFG document. Like here, you also mention about all about the smart contracts, and then the phases, like especially the four phases, like creation, then freeze and execution, then finalize. Yeah, and you can read a little bit about all these four phases. Okay, so I did the same, and today's challenge was very easy. That's it. Okay, and in our next step we'll be discussing, we'll be studying more about the solidity language, because to make smart contract we need to be comfortable with solidity language. Okay, because solidity language is going to help us to write the smart contract, and then everything we just need to do with smart contract that is related to solidity language. Okay, then our next step will be to learn the solidity language. Okay, so okay, that's all for today's video, and if you like the video then you can hit the like button, and thanks again for watching the video, and bye bye and see you very soon.